IOTA D5 Cyclopentasiloxane is a volatile polydimethyl primarily composed of decamethyl cyclosiloxanes. The product is clear, odorless, and non-greasy. IOTA D5 Cyclopentasiloxane is used as an A-based liquid in many personal care products, with excellent dispersibility, friction, and lubricity, as well as unique volatile characteristics. In addition, it is also used for hair gel, cleaning cream, sunscreen and shaving products, cosmetics, nail polish. One of the characteristics of IOTA D5 after use is that it leaves no residue or accumulation, making it an ideal choice for non-oily formulations due to its refreshing and burden-free nature. For those who are not accustomed to traditional oil textures, IOTA D5 is a great alternative ingredient that can provide hydration and protection while keeping the skin fresh and natural. Whether it is a product aimed at daily skincare or a beauty formula focused on specific needs, its addition can enhance product performance and bring a higher quality skincare experience.